Tired of slow, overpriced computer repairs and lost data nightmares? At Whitney PC Repair in Arlington, we strive to deliver the best, fastest, most honest professional service every time. We build long-term relationships so you always know who to trust with your tech. Choose the service that fits you. In-home repair so you never unplug a thing. Prefer drop-off? Bring it to our office with optional pickup and delivery for your convenience. Or go remote. If you can get online, we can likely fix it from anywhere. We proudly serve Arlington, Pantago, Dalworthington Gardens, Kennedale, and nearby Fort Worth, Grand Prairie, and Mansfield. For businesses, proactive preventative maintenance keeps systems secure, updated, and running at peak performance. We handle break-fix diagnostics and repairs for both hardware and software issues on-site or in-office. Protect your data with smart backups and rely on 24/7 RMM monitoring that flags issues before downtime hits. We set up and troubleshoot networks, extend Wi-Fi range, install routers and printers, and streamline sharing across your office. When disaster strikes, our data recovery success rate is over 85% with trusted partners for extreme cases. Call 254-716-6497 now to schedule fast, reliable computer help from Whitney PC Repair.